Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to design a computer network lab in Cisco Packet Tracer, how to design a lab which is being physically, and I will show here you on the Cisco Packet Tracer how to design that lab and how those computers work, how those PCs work with the router, with switch, and today I'm going to show you that all. Today our topic is that how to project a network lab. First of all, I'm going to use here will come downside and use this switch. You will click on this switch, right click and paste it here. Now second point is that we have to take PCs, but there are two types of taking PCs, selecting PCs. I can select one by one. And another type is that I can select much more PCs on this single click. That I'm going to show you. That is the trick, and that's a shortcut. As you can see, if I'll come on the PC downside and I'll click Control and I will click here the right click and I will come here and select the multi PCs. How much I need, I can select that my PCs. I will design a small network lab of 20 PCs. After that, here it comes the addition sign that shows us where you want to select the PC. Now I have to delete this addition sign. I will come again on the PC and click here. It will automatically delete. After that, what I have to do, I will select one server. Here in the PCs there is the server. I will select one server which will provide the network to switch, and switch will provide the network to all this PC lab. We can select much more PCs also, but I need only 20 PCs to show you that a small network LAN, how can it be designed. Now after that, what I have to do, I have to come on this wire and connect all the PCs with switch and connect the switch with server. How can I connect it? I had said it just also that there are two types to connect it. One type is we have to single click on this wire and select from switch to PC, and again we have to come down and select from switch to PC number 2, and again we have to come down and select from switch to PC number 3. This is the simple which everyone can do, but in modern we need fast technology. For that we use some shortcuts that will save our time, that will save our everything in the project. If project is given to us, the time will be also saved there. Now what I have to do, I will again come here and I will click on the control and I will click the right click and I will select the multicast. You can see now I'm not going downwards on the bottom to select one by one. I use the shortcuts, and so that the time is also being saved. Now here you can see I was connecting and one PC is not connected. This one is not connected. I will try to first connect this. Sorry. If these problems come, we will come on the delete. We'll come for the here. Here we can delete whatever we want to delete. Again, we come for this and click here. We'll connect these two, and this PC is not connected still. This is also not connected still, and this PC is not connected. I hope every PC will be connected to every other. Here you can see the red dots are here, means it is disconnected, switch is off, and this green means it has been connected successfully. You will just see after 1 minute this all will turn to green, no red dot will come here, because every PC is connected to switch, and and the single switch is connected to the single server. As you will see, it will load, it will automatically load that. Here you are seeing that red dots are getting deleted. Now you can see there is no red dot. As you can see, everything has been connected. Now how to connect them? That is the question. This much we have done. We had made a single lab in which we put 20 PCs and one switch and one server. Now what we can do, we can have display also. Displays these where we can take. We will place in the same sequence. After that, our main motive is to come on the server, click on the server, and come this for the service and desktop, and we will first change this IP address. We will type here our own IP address, any IP address you can type. We will type 192.168 1.1.3. After entering, it will get this second IP address, and we have to change this default gateway. Default gateway we can write 192.168.1.254, and we will DNS server. We will input the DNS server. We will put the Google DNS server, that is 8.8.8.8, and we will cut it. It will be automatically saved. After saving this, we will come again on this, and we will come for service, and we will see here DHCP. On the DHCP, we will give here the another IP address 192.168.1.254. Yes. After putting this IP address, we will use this again. We will use the Google DNS server 8.8.8.8. After that, we will put here also the starting IP address. We will change it from 0 to 10. And now what we have to do after this, we have to do nothing, and we have to change this on. It was initially it was off, and I changed it to on, and nothing we have to do. Now we have to cut it. After cut, we will check. We will come on the PC number 1, and come for desktop program and DHCP. After DHCP, it will, you have seen that it automatically loaded this IP address. Now again I will show you this process. We will come on the desktop, we will come IP configuration, and we will come for again this static to DHCP. When we click DHCP, it will automatically load. Now what we have to do, we have to do again and again this process for all the 20 PCs. You can see here it will automatically load. Now I will load all the PCs, that IP address which I had shown you. Just I reached up to 3, and now I will show you after I will do the all for 20 PCs. And now here I have done the same process for all these 20 PCs. Now I will show you here on the last PC. It has been also loaded. Yes, our program lab, network lab is successfully loaded. Now what we have to do, I have to check. I will send a message from server to this PC. Now I have to come in the simulation. After coming on the simulation, I have to play this so that the message will be sent from server to PC3111. That is the name of this PC. You can see here server sends the message, and this it's directly going for this PC 111.